BMW X6M F96 Minotaur. BMW's dominance in the automotive world shines through, evident from their staggering sales figures, hitting a record-breaking 636,606 cars sold in just the first quarter of 2021 alone. But for those craving a touch of exclusivity, Renegade Design steps in, offering a myriad of customization options, including their standout Minotaur kit tailored for the BMW X6M, renowned the pinnacle of carbon kits for the X6M. This offering allows customers to delve into the realm of personalization, offering a choice between classic and forged carbon finishes. Through their intuitive configurator, enthusiasts can fine-tune every aspect, from hoods to trunk lids, bumper inserts to fenders, ensuring their X6M stands apart from the crowd. And the customization doesn't end there. Customers can cherry-pick forged discs ranging from 20 to 23 inches, adding the perfect finishing touch to their bespoke creation. Waya Floating City. Waya envisions a futuristic floating city built from modular pyramids, packed with living and entertainment amenities such as hotels, shops, spas, gyms, bars, and cinemas. This self-sustaining community harnesses solar panels and water turbines to provide a unique offshore living experience. The main pyramid structure features overlapping modules on a 54x54-meter floating base, offering roughly 3,000 square meters of surface area. Standing 30 meters tall, the pyramid is divided into 10 floors, creating a vertical neighborhood above the waterline. This innovative design promises a new way of life on the water, blending luxury and sustainability.